Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I am hoping that you all are fine. Today we are going to start our new chapter, which is food from plants. It's chapter 3. So it's on page number 14. Open page 14 of your books and let's discuss the chapter. First, on page number 14, there is a topic, warm up. And in the warm up, you can see that there's a tree, and on the tree, on the leaves, there are so many pictures of food items, and you have to tick the things that grow on plants. So hold your pencil in your hand and let's tick the food items only which grow on plants or trees. Okay, Ji. The first one is a kind of a leaf spinach or um, um, spinach or kind of other leafy vegetable. So you have to take it because we get it from the plants. As you can see, it's a green leafy vegetable, right? So take it. The second one is it's corn. We get the corn from plants. The corns grow on plants. So it's a planty vegetable. We get it from plants. So it's the food that we get from plants. So tick this corn as well. The third option here is an apple, and we get the apple from plants, from trees. So tick this option as well. The fourth one is a meat, leg piece. This is the thing that we get from animals. So you have to leave it. And the next option, the food item, is a watermelon. So we get the watermelon from the creepers, the plant. So tick this option as well. The next one is an eggplant or brinjal. We get it from plants. So tick this option as well. The next thing is an ice cream food item, you can see, and we get the ice cream. We make the ice cream from milk and cream. So it's a dairy product. So we are not going to tick it. And the next one is, under the ice cream, there are eggs, and we get the eggs from hens or animals. So this is not coming from the plant. So we are not going to tick it. The next option here is a pumpkin, and pumpkin grows on creeper plants. So this is a plant vegetable. So we have to tick the pumpkin, the picture of pumpkin as well. Next, there's a pack of milk, and it's a dairy product. It's not coming from the plants. We do not get it from the plants. It's an animal. It's the source is animal, a cow. And the next one here is a food item, that is mango. Mango is a fruit, and we get it from the mango tree. So that it's a plant. The source is a plant. So tick this option. Next one, it's a fish. It's an animal. We eat it, but it doesn't grow on trees or plants. So we are not going to tick it. And the last one is look like a bean, or it's not an animal product, I think. So tick it. It's also a plant. It's the source of it is a plant. So tick it. It's kind of a bean. So you have to tick it. Okay, next, let's start our topic. We all eat food when we are hungry. Why do we need food? We need food to work and grow. And food makes us strong and healthy. We get most of our food from plants. So plants is the main source. And the second one is animal food, like we get the meat and we get the milk and eggs from animals, but mostly the fruits, the vegetables, the spices, the pulses, and the tea, like we drink tea and coffee, they all come from the plant. We get it from the plant. So So why do we need food? Why do we eat food? We eat food to make ourselves strong and healthy. We get the energy from the food we eat, and that's why we after getting the energy, we prepare our body for working, for hard working, for to do work and to grow as well. Our body get the food first, and then uh, it gets the nutrition from the food, and then it started growing as well, it started working as well. So some plants give us fruits, we eat the whole fruit or we squeeze the fruit and drink its juice. So you all know that this is an orange, an apple, a mango, banana, grapes and cherries, and there are so many other delicious and yummy colorful fruits as well. We eat them, the whole fruit, and we also squeeze them, we put them in the juicer and we drink its juice as well. So they are very healthy, they have lots of nutrition in them. And some plants give us vegetables. We cook most vegetables before eating. Cooking makes them soft and tasty, like we cook the pumpkin, the brinjals, the potatoes, cauliflower, beans and okra. We all cook these vegetables and we make the curries or the dishes out of them, and then we eat them. We put the spices in them to make them more tasty. And some vegetables are eaten raw, like on page number 15. Let's discuss them. We eat some vegetables raw as salads with our meals. They make us healthy. So there's a carrot, we cook the carrot, and we also can eat the carrot in a raw form, or we put the carrots in our soups as well. So there's the second one is a cucumber. We do not cook the cucumber, we only eat the cucumber in our salads. Radish, we also eat the radish. They are very healthy. They have lots of water in them, I mean juice in them, so it's very nutritious. And the last one is beetroot. Beetroot is also a different kind of a vegetable. We eat the beetroots in our salads. They are maroon in colors. They have lots of juice in them, and they are healthy for our to make the blood. So they are full of iron. And there's a picture. Do you know, this is a fact about the potato, that potato is not a root, it's a stem which grows under the ground. So potatoes grow under the ground. They are not roots, they are not root vegetables, they are the stems of the plant. So they are the stems of the plant. Okay, there's an activity. You can make a plate of salad using these vegetables, or you can add or omit the vegetables you like or you don't like. Okay, so let's do it. The names of a few raw vegetables are given below. Tick the ones you will use in your salad. So you have to make a salad, contact your mommy or daddy, tell them to bring these vegetables of your choice, and then you can cut them into different pieces and of different shapes, and you can eat the salad after cutting them, after washing them with water. So the first number is a cucumber. If you like the cucumber, eating cucumber, you can add it in your salad plate, and yeah, then take it. If you do not like cucumber, then do not take it. Okay, and the second one is a tomato. Tomato, we all like tomatoes, so if you want to add tomato, you have to take it. Brinjal, it's a third option. If you do not want to put it in your salad, then simply do not take it. The fourth one is carrot. Mostly children like carrot in their salads to eat, so that's why you can take it, or it's optional. If you do not want to eat it or add it in your salad, you can simply omit it. The fifth one is a beetroot. Take it, or if you are including it, or if you are not including it, then leave it. Okay, at number 6 we have potato. You have to boil the potato and then you have to add it in your salad plate. The 7th one is onion. If you like it, then add it in your salad, and if you do not like it, then leave it. And the 8th one is lemon. Lemons are also good source of vitamin C. So you can squeeze the lemon juice at the top of your salad plate. And number 9, coriander leaves. They are also there depending on your liking or disliking. If you like them, then use them. If you do not like them, simply leave them. Okay. And the last one is mint leaves. These are also optional. If you want to add a few mint leaves on the top of your salad, you can cut them, or you can simply put the mint leaves, whole mint leaves on your salad plate. And then after cutting the salad, you enjoy it with your curry and or rice. Okay, so after eating your salad plate and after enjoying it, the next things we are going to discuss are the cereals. We get some very healthy cereals from plants. Some plants give us cereals. Cereals gives us energy to play and work. So there are different kind of cereals. You can see the picture of the cereals. So the first one is wheat. The second cereal is rice, and the third corn, and the fourth one is barley. So they are full of nutrition. They have lots of energy in them. They have carbohydrates in them. And when we eat the cereal, when we consume the cereals in different forms, like we use rice, we can boil them. We can eat them with different lentils and or pulses. We eat the rice in a different form as well, in pulao and biryani. So similarly with wheat, we also cook the wheat porridge. We use the wheat, we crush it, and we use the crushed form of wheat. We knead it, and then we cook bread or chapati, roti, and we use that or consume that. And the third one is corn. We also use the cornflakes, and we eat them. And we can also eat the corns after putting them in the coal or after boiling them. They are very healthy. And barley, it's also very healthy. We use them in different forms. Some plants also give us pulses. So they help us to grow. Black-eyed beans, these are different kind of pulses. You can see it's also called lobia in Urdu. And these are called beans. These are white beans. There are red beans as well. This is white chickpea. This is called white chana. And there are black chickpeas as well. They are very healthy. Red lentil, it's called masoor dal in Urdu. And green gram, it's also very healthy. It's moong dal. It's called dal moong or moong dal in Urdu. So there are also lots of other lentils as well, and they are also very, very healthy. We eat them with bread or roti, and we also eat them with rice. So the next we are going to do page number 16 now, reading of page number 16. And some plants give us sugar. Sugar makes our food sweet. So it's a sugar cane. The main source of our to making the sugar is out of or getting it from sugar cane. We grow the sugar cane in the ground, and then we bring it to the factories. And after lots of different procedures or different they go into different procedures and different machines, then we get the sugar. and we also get the sugar from sugar beet. This is also a vegetable. So this is a plant. Basically, we get the sugar from plant. So sugar is also a kind of food which we get from the plants. Some plants give us oil. We cook our food in oil. Oil are also healthy for our brain. And groundnuts, we get the oil from different nuts or from different seeds, from different vegetables as well. So like olive oil, we get it from the olives. Sunflower seeds, we get the sunflower oil from sunflower seeds. We get the canola oil from canola seeds, and we get the mustard oil from mustard seed. We use them to massage in our hair. And there are different vegetable oils as well. There are avocado oil and olive oil. There are vegetables oil. Okay, so we also get the oil from plants, and we also can use the oil of almond, and there are coconut oil as well in the market. So there are different oils in the market available, but we get the oils from plants. The main source of getting the oil is a plant or plants. Some plants give us spices. They make our food tasty. So you can see the pictures of cloves. You can discuss it with your mama, and she can also show you these spices. We use these spices in our dishes, in korma, in biryani, in different dishes. These are the cloves. We will put them in biryani or pulao. Cardamom, we use them in different forms. Turmeric, this is the orange powdered thing, spice we use. You can ask your mama to show it to you. Then cumin seeds, they are also very healthy, and coriander seeds. These all spices are also very healthy in nutrition, and they also add different flavors to our taste. They give us different flavors. They have different flavors, and they make our food very tasty, very spicy. Okay, the next point is some plants give us tea and coffee. So we get the tea and coffee from plants as well. There are lots of tea plants in Indonesia or in Sri Lanka, in different part of different countries. They grow the tea plants, and then they get the tea leaves, and they dry it, make it dry, and then crush it, and then we get the crushed dried form of tea, and then we cook it, boil it in water, and then we get the tea. So similarly with coffee, there are coffee seeds, you can see. So coffee is also a plant product. We get the coffee from plants. We make refreshing drinks with using the coffee and tea. So mainly we drink different drinks, different shake, different smoothies using different food items. We get them from plants. Like if we are drinking mango shake, strawberry shake, if we are drinking peach shake, these all are the plant items, food items that we get from the plants. So similarly with tea and coffee, we get the tea and coffee from plants. So spices, we get different spices from plants. Here, red chili powder is missing. It's also the main ingredient. We get it from plant. After crushing the dried red chilies, and the salt is not a plant vegetable. It's a plant food item. It's actually we get it from the mountain. So it is not a plant vegetable product. So we get the sugar from plants, we get the oil from plants, and we get the fruits and vegetables from plants. We get the pulses, different type of pulses. The pulses are available in different colors. They are very healthy. We get them from plants. And similarly, cereals, wheat, rice, corn, and barley, we get them from plants. We eat the vegetables raw. Some vegetables are there, we eat them raw, we do not cook them. And some vegetables are there, we cook them, and we also can eat them raw. And some vegetables are there, when we cook them, they give us better taste, and we can make them soft and tasty after cooking them. And there are lots of there are wide range of fruits and animal and vegetables which we eat, and they are we can find them in different colors and different shapes. If you see, orange are full of vitamin C and calcium. They give us orange juice as well, and they are the color are orange. They are very yummy fruit. Similarly, apple, mango, bananas, you can see their different shapes and different taste, different colors. They appeal us, they appeal our eyes. So we must be thankful to God that God has given us different variety of food with different color, with different taste. So we enjoy different food at different timings, and we enjoy them, and we must be thankful to God, Allah, and we have to eat every type, every kind of food, because they all are very healthy. They give us energy, and we have to consume every type of food. Okay, so after it, now you know we are doing it. Hold your pencil. We eat the dash of rice plant. We eat the seeds, right? Seed, SEEDS, seeds of rice plants. Then the next fill in the blank is rice gives us dash to play and work. Rice gives us energy. ENERGY, energy to play and work. And the third fill in the blank is we eat cucumber as a salad. So here you have to write salad. Spellings are SALAD, salad. And the fourth fill in the blank is we use turmeric as a spice. SPICE, spice. We use turmeric as a spice. And the last fill in the blank is we get dash from sunflower seeds. What do we get from sunflower seeds? Oil. OIL, oil. So the first answer is fill in the blank, in which you have to put it in the first blank, that is seeds. The next one is energy. The third one is salad. The fourth one is spice. And the fifth last answer is oil. So this is it from till now. And I hope you are doing your work very neatly. You are discussing the chapters, different points with your family members, and you are enjoying the pictures as well. So stay home, stay safe, do your work, and we'll meet next time, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.